Kotlin is a cross-platform, statically typed, and modern programming language that was developed by JetBrains and first released in 2016. Kotlin is designed to be concise, expressive, and safe, with a focus on helping developers write correct and efficient code. One of the key features of Kotlin is its concise syntax, which allows developers to write more code in less time than with other programming languages. For example, in Kotlin, you can define a class in just a few lines of code, making it easy to create complex data structures and algorithms. Additionally, Kotlin has a rich set of libraries and tools that make it easy to develop applications for Android, the web, and other platforms. Another important aspect of Kotlin is its focus on safety. The language has features such as null safety, type inference, and type annotations, which help prevent common programming errors such as null pointer exceptions. This means that developers can write code with confidence, knowing that their applications are more likely to run correctly and be free of bugs. Kotlin also provides a seamless integration with Java, which makes it easy for developers to use existing Java code and libraries in their Kotlin projects. This allows developers to take advantage of the strengths of both Java and Kotlin, and to leverage their existing knowledge of Java to quickly start developing applications with Kotlin. In addition to its concise syntax, safety features, and Java compatibility, Kotlin is also a cross-platform language, which means that you can write code that runs on multiple platforms, including Android, the web, and desktop. This makes it a great choice for developing applications that need to run on multiple platforms, as you can write your code once and then run it on multiple devices and platforms. Overall, Kotlin is a modern and efficient programming language that provides developers with the tools they need to build high-quality, reliable, and efficient applications. Whether you are a seasoned Java developer or a beginner looking for a new language, Kotlin is a great choice for building your next project. Thanks for watching this video on Kotlin programming language. We hope you found this information helpful and learned something new about this powerful and versatile language. If you're interested in learning more about Kotlin, be sure to check out some of the online resources available, such as online tutorials, forums, and documentation. Happy coding!